Something's different in this Air Force One, and this is made specially for women. What's up everyone? This is Kale. Today, I'm gonna do a review and on-fit on this brand new Nike Air Force One Pixel SE. In the year 1982, the Air Force One came out, and it's the first basketball shoe to house the Nike Air system. It revolutionized the cushion used in the shoes. Its traction is also great, and in fact, it has one of the best traction of all time. Over the years, it gained popularity all over the world, not only as a basketball shoe but also used off-court. Thanks to its classic design, it does complement almost whatever you throw in with it. Different iterations, colorways, and even collaboration made the Air Force One more exciting while maintaining its roots. And in this version, it's been redesigned, or shall I say, it's a reimagining of the original Air Force One. As you can see, the materials used in here is the same as in the OG. In this colorway, there's an animal print detail in rough out leather on the swoosh and on the heel. It adds a nature feel to it. You can also notice that the perforations where the shoelaces go through are in square instead of circle. Really, a nice and subtle take to it. The logos have been redesigned also, at least in the Pixel line. Instead of the classic Nike Air, it's more like a cube, with the left shoe in Nike and on the right pair is in AF1. The most noticeable change is the midsole, or in this case, the capsule. It's for women, so they made it a platform thicker than a traditional Air Force One. The capsule encasing the air unit is fragmented, or more like blocks with different sizes and not in line with one another. The stitches also does not go around the shoe. The front part more like a Jordan 3, and there are also stitchings that starts from the middle that goes around the back. Unlike the classic Air Force One, the stitching goes around and making it more durable looking. An interesting take really. The outsole is a pixelated take on a classic Air Force One outsole. Nothing else to say here. The traction is going to be great, and you won't easily slip in certain areas. The end tips of the outsole are thick with star details on it. This area here picks up dirt really fast. And finally, the insole. The liner is padded in white, then there's the logo on the insole. Sizing fits true to size, but needs breaking in to be able to feel the maximum comfort fit of the shoe. It's better to try them on first if you've got the chance. Retail price for this is $120, same price as for almost any other Air Force One out there. This colorway is limited though, but there are other Pixel colorway out there. My final thoughts? This Air Force One Pixel is dope. This is made for but not limited to women. It's a good reimagining and pays homage to the classic AF1. Most of the attributes that made the classic Air Force One great remains, with some tweaks. What about you? Are you planning to cop one for yourselves? Let me hear your thoughts by commenting down below. And please consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell if you're new to the channel. Now, we'll see how they would look like on fit.